welcome back to our channel. If you are visiting us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and tap the notification bell that appears ahead of the word subscribe, so that every time I have a new upload, you are notified on the same. So today we're going to make this drink that can make you gain weight very fast. Let's dive right into it. So onto our ingredients today, we're going to be needing 2 bananas here, and then we're going to be needing some milk, a glass of milk, and of course we're going to be needing peanut butter. So this is our main ingredient that can make you gain weight. So the bananas should already be starting to brown, so they're almost ready. And now I'm going to peel them off and put this banana into my blender. We're going to put this into my blender. And the other one, add your glass of milk. The banana is already sweet, so I'm not using any sugar. And then we're going to add like a tablespoon of peanuts. So I'm going to add another scoop. Like that. And now we're going to cover this, and we're going to blend it. So I've finished blending my drink until it is smooth, and now it is ready to serve. So we're going to serve it in a drink. Yeah, and that is it.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.